Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website in Bluehost. First, navigate to the Bluehost website and click on the Get Started button. You will then be prompted to select a hosting plan. Bluehost offers various options, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting, each with different features and price points. Choose the plan that best suits your project, whether it's a small blog or a large e-commerce store. After selecting, you'll create your account. Next, you'll need to choose your domain name. This is your website's address on the internet, like yourwebsite.com. You can either register a brand new domain directly through Bluehost, which is often included free for the first year with many plans, or you can use a domain you already own. Take some time to pick a name that is easy to remember and reflects your website's purpose. After confirming your domain, you will finalize your hosting package and complete the payment process. Once your Bluehost account is set up, WordPress is typically installed automatically, making the process incredibly simple. You'll receive login details to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can choose a theme, which is essentially the design template for your website. There are thousands of free and premium themes available, allowing you to find one that perfectly matches your vision and functionality requirements. Now comes the fun part, customizing your website. Use the WordPress editor to create pages like About Us and Contact, and start writing blog posts. You can also upload images and videos to enrich your content. Consider installing plugins for added features like contact forms, search engine optimization, or security. Once you are happy with your design and content and have thoroughly checked everything, you can officially launch your website to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.